Alright y'all, so today we are making a lemon 222 bar. For this we have 2 cups of sugar, we'll have 2 8-ounce boxes of cream cheese, and 2 crescent rolls, things of crescent rolls. This is a pretty simple, easy summer dessert recipe. Also we're going to be adding lemon, so yes, but the 222 is where this gets its name. And we'll also be adding lemon, so this will be a lemon 222. First things first, we're going to want our cream cheese to soften up at room temperature for a little while and let it get soft. But before we get to making anything, we are on the road to 500 subscribers. So if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button down below, and let's get to cooking. Alright y'all, so before we get to doing this, we have our oven preheating at 350 degrees. We've had our 2 bricks of cream cheese in this bowl for a little while now. It's fairly soft. We're gonna add half a cup of our lemon juice. Now, you don't have to put lemon in this, it's just as good. And we're gonna add in 2 cups of sugar. And now we're just gonna cream all this together very nicely. Now once we have this cream together and it's fairly smooth, make sure we're going to set this to the side and get our pan. Now we have our 9x12 baking dish. We're going to take our first layer of crescent rolls. I'm just going to kind of pinch all my seams together. You don't have to, but it just kind of makes sure that the crescent roll is evenly spread throughout the pan. Now take our cream cheese mixture. We're just going to spread this out evenly. Now we're just going to take our second thing of crescent roll and layer that on top. Now we're going to throw this in the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes, and I'll bring you back. Alright, now it's out of the oven, and we're going to go ahead and let this cool completely down to room temperature. Or even once the pan cools down enough, you can go ahead and throw this in the fridge, and it'll speed stuff up. We just got to let this completely cool down and set up. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright, y'all. So I put about half of them on a plate here. They've firmed up. And they are absolutely amazing. So if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button down below. If there's anything you want to see cooked on this channel, go ahead and leave a comment below. And until next time, keep on cooking on.